Hi friend, welcome to my YouTube channel Coding with Chandra. So in this video, I will tell you how we can create a Spring Boot project from STS IDE. So in previous video, I explained how we can create a Spring Boot project from the Spring Initializer website. But in this video, I will tell you how we can create a Spring Boot project from IDE itself. So let's start. So I need to start one ID that is STS, a Spring Tool Suite. So what we need to do is you need to open the ID, then you will see these kinds of interface. I have a couple of projects already here. So once you download and you open, you might not be such kinds of project in your project explorer, which is available in left side. So what you need to do when we are creating a Spring Boot project from scratch, or you can say new project, then you need to go click on a file and then go to the new, and then inside new you can see there is a Spring Starter project. So you need to choose this one. Just click here, and then you will see there is interface where you need to choose everything like Java version, build type, and all, like packaging, jar, var, and all. So what I need to do is I just uh, change for whatever group name, project name you want, you can choose from here. So first thing is like what is your project name? So my project name should be Chandra, coding with Chandra, not coding with Chandra, Spring Boot demo something. Okay, this is my project name, and group name should be like Chandra, and artifact name should be Chandra, and package should be com.chandra. Okay, and I keep Java language as Java, and version is 8. Everything keep as it, whatever selected here. But if according to your requirement, you can choose anything, not a big deal. So now I need to go next, click next button, and you will see dependency. You can choose dependency from this next page. So here I'm demonstrating a Spring Boot starter project. So I need one dependency that is called Wave. So once you type here Wave, and then you will see here Wave, Spring Wave is available here. So then I click next, and here you can see the whatever dependency you choose here, it will download from this website and it will available from your project structure. So need to click finish button, then it will all download and it will make available your project structure. So I am creating. Okay, just click a finish button, and once you click finish button, you will see there is an import is already happening here, but uh, it is already done according to my net speed. So if your net speed is slow, then it will take some time, like 10 to 20 seconds, maybe 1 minute and anything. So project which I created just now is here. You can see this is a project structure. This is a Spring Boot project structure. So once you create a Spring Boot project, it will show this kind of a structure, like some this is the package which already have in your Spring Boot starter project. So just I need to go and then I will show how can run this project. So project is done. Now I need to run the project. So you just go to the project, right click and run as server. Then click Spring Boot app. Just click here, and then you will see your project is running. So here we can see project is running in port 8080. So one more important thing is Spring Boot is inbuilt Tomcat server. So you don't need to any explicitly Tomcat include once you create projects. That is beauty of Spring Boot. So project is running. If I test project in a browser, like I am going to open my browser Chrome and then type localhost 8080. You will see this is a project. This is the URL localhost. It is running, and I saw some error like what level error if it is eating. So this is a not error. It shows there is no URL mapping associated with this project. That's why this kinds of interface you are seeing. So now I'm going to create one class and map some URL so that you can see actual things happen. So what I need to do is I just go to the Chandra package, and then I need to create one class name anything like REST controller. So one class is generated, and I need to annotate them. What I need to annotate them into point means URL. So currently we don't have any URL. That's why I need to create one class, and then I need to create one method, and that method need to be associated with a particular URL. That's why I'm creating one method like public method return type is a string, and then method name is file, and then its return type should be like return welcome to coding Chandra. Okay, this is public. Okay, and that's it. What is the syntax? Return. RETUR. Okay, that's fine. Now I need to annotate this method with get mapping. So we will see the URL get mapping. I need to put the URL as well. Like once I say hi, it will return like welcome to coding with Chandra. Everything is done. One more thing we need to do is I need to annotate this class as REST controller. Now everything is done. I I restart my project and I will show what happened. So go to project, right click and run as Spring Boot app. So app is running. Now need to test the URL. So go to the URL. When I hit localhost 8080 /hi, then it will show welcome to coding with Chandra. This is the target, and let's see what happens. Aha, this is happen. Okay, so my project is running. So this is the way we can create a Spring Boot project from STSID itself. So this is the one of the simplest way. You need to download STSID and create project from STSID itself. There is a couple of more way. I one of the video I did demonstrate how we can create a Spring Boot project from a Spring Initializer. So this is the two way is more widely used in the community. Developer community. So that's all about a Spring Boot project creation from ID itself. So uh, if you have any doubt, any query, just comment on my video and I will tell you the exact answer. And then bye bye for now, and we'll connect with another video series. Thank you. Thank you so much for watching this video.